Landing page for ClickBank products. Hi guys, what's going on? Toothless here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a complete 100% free landing pages for ClickBank or for any other affiliate product that you're doing online. So what we're going to be using to create this website is called Builder, or Builder is what we're going to be using. And with Builder, or you can create all sorts of things. You can even start making money with this by creating landing pages for business owner online, because with landing pages your business can be guaranteed to be on the next level. So guys, here's it. So what you got to do is, when you come to Builder, you can see you can create a magazine for free, you can create an app for free with Builder, or you can create all sorts of things directly, mockup studio. You can create so many things with Builder. Or guys, this is so awesome. E-learning, you can create so many things with Builder. Or with this magazine alone, you can make thousands with this every month. With this magazine, I have a bunch of hundreds of thousands of articles that I can share with you if you want to get yourself on this lane on building. With the articles that I'm going to be giving you, you can start creating magazine in different niches and sell it on Amazon. You can also create mobile app with this Builder or also. So here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to click here right now. It says new Builder cheater drag and drop website builder. This is what we need to click. You see, with Builder also, you also have auto email email marketing automation. That means you can send automation. You can set a 14 days or a 1 month email automation that is going to keep sending people email. Even if you're not there, you can keep sending people email upon email like that. So everything you can start doing with this Builder. Or guys, Builder is so awesome. So here's what we need to do. Click enter here right now. When you click enter here, it's going to take us to this page right now, where you say you can look at the landing page that I've created. I've created tons of landing page. You can see let it talk. I've created let it talk. I create manifestation product. I create diabetes. I create for research. I create for lead log. I create for SMS. I create so many things, but you're not going to see all this in your own thing when you sign up. What you're going to see is this: create a new website, and this is what you need to click. What you need to click, click this, create a new website, and it's going to take us to this page. No, that's not where it's going to take us. It's going to take us to, let's just go. That's what I did before. Let's just click here. See, it's going to take us here. So just click name your website. Let's just click what do you want to create? Ted woodworking. Let's say Ted woodworking is what we want to create. The same thing. Put the description of what your website is about. Is your landing page is going to be about, and click. Yeah, if you're a pro, you can click this blank space, because that's what I use. But if you're still new, you can click. If you don't know much, you can click this select a template here right now. Select this template. Click this select this template, and it's going to take us to where we can choose different template that we need to that we can use. So here is where we have right now. You can see here right now. Here is niche funnel. You can see funnel that has been made done for you already. You can see site express. These are site that has been done for you already, guys. These are site that has been legal page, hub funnel. These are hub funnel that has been done for you. Legal. This is course page. This is course funnel page. This is a coach funnel. Agency funnel, coach funnel pages, marketing agency, automotive, cosmetic funnel, landing page. Guys, this is landing page. This is what we want. So this is landing page. But if you don't even like this landing page, guys, you can just go out and just go use some other. What I like to use actually is to just use is to use the new is to use the blank page. You can see, yeah, this is so simple. You can see this is just simple. Just click preview to see what this look like. See what this looks like actually. um See what this looks like. And once you see what this looks like, it's really loading. That's why I don't want to do much here this right now, because I know that my internet is so slow. I'm just trying to manage this right now. So guys, this is what your okay, this actually can just be like a bridge page, where you just put, when people click here, you just put the title here, and when people click here, you're just going to take them to the I'm just gonna take them to the affiliate offer directly. So I don't really like that, guys. I want where we can collect emails. I want to collect emails. I want to collect emails. So you have to collect emails. So let's go to niche funnel. Let's go to niche funnel. Niche funnel. I think niche funnel is also still like that. It's still like that. So okay, let's check, let's preview this, let's see what this looks like. Let's close this also. um, let's close this too. Close that. Okay, so okay, here is where we are right now. Yeah, so you see, this is where we are. See, this is so simple. You can just take out all this one because you don't really need too much all this talk if you're doing affiliate marketing. You just so you can just edit all this right now. You just, if you want to edit this, what you need to click is just select this right now. The blue bar is going to show that you've selected it, and just click save right now. Just click save, and it's going to bring us to where we need to edit this page right now. And we just edit this page, customize this page. There are videos that will show you completely how you can edit this inside Builder. All you just need to do right now, click the link below to sign up to Builder All right now, and with my link. And when you sign up with Builder All, then you can start using Builder All for free. You can start using Builder All for free and building. That's what I'm actually using. You see what I show you without time. That um I show you all my own website. I show you on my own website. See my own website. Uh, let's go. Let's go on my website. See my website. See the website that I've created. See the website that I've created. Um, this is research. Let me check. Let's check. Let's click this website. Let's click website preview. This is the funnel that I've created. See, it's gonna take you to my own funnel. No, I said website preview. Let's go back. Let's go back. I want to review the web. I want to show you the my own funnel so you can see. And website preview. Go to website. Then go to the website. Let's go to the website to see the funnel that I've created. So I've created my own funnel. Let me just show you. So inside Builder all that training that can show you how you can do this completely for free. It's so simple, guys, man. Because of my internet, that's why I don't want to take too long. You see, this is the landing page that I created. And people put their emails here, put their names here, and just sign up. I'm going to collect their email, and when they click here, also it's going to take them to the thank you page. And the thank you page is when they now click the thank you page. The thank you page is going to take them to the offer, and they can buy from the link from the offer that I share with them. So guys, this is the landing page that I've created. So we do that, or you can create you can even create the better things than they will build that on. So you don't have any problem. You can create, if it's this one you want to use also, you can just edit this right now and use this. You don't have to, you can create a professional landing page like this with builder on. Guys, you can play something professional like this. You don't have to do this. I don't have time too much. That's why I do all this short things. So guys, man, if this is your first time checking out my channel, I really appreciate your um and I really appreciate it so much if you subscribe to this channel right now. That will encourage me to do more video and let me know that you guys appreciate my work, and I will do more videos for you on how to make money. You can start creating this landing page for people right now. Go to ClickBank when groups on Facebook, and start talking to them that you can. Some of these guys are making money, they don't have time to create this landing page themselves. So you can just come and be able to start helping them to create this landing page for them and all that, and they will pay you to do all those things. So guys, let me know what question you want me to answer down below in the comment, and give this video, let's get this video to 10,000 likes right now. I really appreciate that you can help me get to 10,000 likes right now. Guys, till I see you next time. I'm gonna put a link below in this video just for you to get Builder Up. Sign up with Builder Up, start using Builder Up for free, and you can start building tons of landing page. You can even build a website also. You can go to Facebook group and start talking to business owner that you can help them create a website for their business, You can create awesome website like this for